What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video we will discuss how we do scribing for cut flat river rock mosaics. This design idea is used for walls as well as flooring. We're going to be working with 12 by 24 inch porcelain as well as, like I said before, cut flat river rock. And I'll discuss what we're doing and how we go about scribing porcelain tile to accept the radius of a river rock mosaic sheet. Let's show you what we got here. Okay, so here is our setup. Now this is going to be on the back wall of the shower that we are remodeling right now. It is going to be a very large vertical waterfall mosaic. Diving into the shower pan or shower floor, which will also be river rock. So what we do is simple. Very important to make sure everything is squared up on the bottom, using a level as well as a T-square. And you simply dry fit everything on the ground, pull your measurements, make sure everything is squared up, the width is correct, the height is correct. You simply overlay the rocks onto the porcelain, grab a Sharpie marker to trace the radius of all of the rocks, and then you pull these out, turn on the grinder, and have yourself a little grinding party, which we'll show you shortly. So that's the setup, that's the layout. Let's make our marks and scribe this porcelain tile. Here we go. All right, so here's our setup. Comfortably in the grass. Little ledge here. Of course, you can do this on a work table, workbench. So as you can see, it's clamped, so it's nice and sturdy. Got two guys doing this right now. Clamped, nice and sturdy. You take your grinder and your diamond wheel and start carving and scribing out. Here we go. Now after you scribe them with the grinder and a diamond wheel, then polish them. And this is the easiest way to polish them, with a polishing pad. You can use a angle grinder. We've got a polisher here to clean up the rough edges right there from the diamond wheel. Here we go. And fast forward, the river rock scribed porcelain is all installed. I had to remind myself during the installation process of this, keep calm and tile on. Let's show you real quick. So like I said before, we've got a barrier-free shower coming in with river rock for the shower pan. And another thing to point out, it's nice to run your porcelain tile horizontally, so it all looks like sedimentary layers of earth when it's run horizontally. And then you have your vertical waterfall, little cubby cave in the back, dropping all the way down to the pan. I'm going to now clean this up, prep it. Well, there it is, guys. Scribed porcelain. It's all complete. As you can see, installed on the back of the wall. It's all grouted. We got to simply polish this up, seal everything up. But as you can obviously see, it gives your feature wall river rock mosaic a better look when it's carved into the radius just like that. It also gives it a much more unique look than cut straight. And that's it, another tile design idea. I hope you guys like this quick video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.